In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create flicker text animation in Canva using a simple flicker animation method that is quick and easy. First, make sure you are inside a video project in Canva. The flicker text effect works best on video timelines, not just static designs. So from your Canva homepage, start by choosing a video template or clicking to create a blank video. Pick the size you want, for example, a standard landscape video, and wait for the editor to open. Now that the video project is open, it is time to add your text. On the left side of the screen, click on the text option. From here, choose either a heading, a subheading, or a basic text box, depending on how bold you want the flicker text to appear. Click once and Canva will place a text box onto your video canvas. Type your text directly inside that box. This will be the text that will have the flicker animation, so keep it short and clear, like a title, a phrase, or a key message. You can adjust the font, size, color, and position by using the options in the top toolbar. Drag the text to the center or wherever you want it to appear in your video. Next, you need to select the text to prepare it for animation. Click once on the text box so you see the blue outline around it. This tells you that the text is active and ready to be edited or animated. If you click outside by accident, just click back on the text to reselect it. Now with the text still selected, look at the top toolbar for the Animate button. This is where Canva keeps all the motion and text effects. Click on Animate. A panel will open, usually on the left or across the top, showing you different animation categories and styles. You will see options for text animations and page animations. Make sure you are looking at the options that say they apply to the text, not the entire page, so only your text flickers and the rest of the design stays steady. From here, scroll through the animation options until you find one called Flicker. The flicker animation gives your text a pulsing, strobe-like effect that turns on and off quickly, similar to a light flickering. Click once on Flicker to apply it to your selected text. As soon as you do, Canva will show you a quick preview on your canvas so you can see how the text is flickering on the video timeline. If it is not applied, make sure the text is selected and then click Flicker again. Now that the flicker animation is applied, the next step is to adjust the speed of the effect. With the animation still active, look for a speed slider in the animation settings. This slider controls how fast or slow the flicker text effect plays during your video. Drag the slider to the right to make the flicker faster and more intense, which creates a stronger strobe effect. Drag it to the left to slow it down, which makes the flicker softer and more subtle. As you move the slider, Canva will update the preview so you can see the timing in real time. From here, you can play your video to see how the flicker animation looks in context. Use the play button under the canvas to preview the full clip. If the flicker is too distracting, pause, reopen the animate settings if needed, and slow the speed down slightly. If you want more energy and impact, increase the speed until it feels right for your style. You can also adjust the duration of the text on the timeline by dragging the ends of the text layer in the video track, so the flicker only appears for a specific part of your video. Once you are happy with the flicker text animation, your design is ready to export. Click on the Share or Download button in the top right, choose MP4 video as your format, and download the finished video to your device. That is how to create flicker text animation in Canva using the simple flicker animation method. Add your text, click Animate, choose Flicker, and then fine-tune the speed with the slider for the perfect strobe effect.